Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing great. As promised, here is our new concept. I will try to entertain you with the spectacular visuals of our neighborhood park along with the tasty food we had over there. Before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon and share it with your friends. Without any further ado, let's get started. This park is located 5 miles or 8 kilometers away from us. This is called Millennium Park, located in Wyoming, Michigan. This is the largest urban park in West Michigan, located on the southwest side of Grand Rapids. This park consists of two sides. One side of the park is called as Millennium Park and the other side of the park is called as the Meadows at Millennium Park. Okay, we have reached the park. This is the entrance of the Millennium Park. Let's see the aerial view of the park. This side of the park has a lot of recreational spaces which includes beach area, volleyball and basketball courts, kayaking and water splash pad for kids. Isn't it beautiful? See the lush greens and calming waters. We love spending our evening times here whenever possible. This park is surrounded by water on three sides and there are trails around this park to walk and run. People also do kayaking in these waters. People also do fishing in this lake. You can see the kid trying to catch the fish here. Now let's go to the DeVos Boathouse. This is the entrance of the boathouse. They will rent kayaks and canoes here. I will show you how we did kayaking in our upcoming video. Now let's go to the beach area. You can see the sheriff vehicle here. Interesting fact is, sheriff will be elected by that county people. He is like a police officer in India who is responsible for keeping peace in the county. By the way, do you know how they collect the trash here? They will use these electric trucks to move the trash. Now we are entering into a beach area. They will charge $6 per person to enter. You can see the sheriff standing there to make sure everyone is fine. There is a big clock tower on the entrance of this park. You see the sandy beach over here? People will come, relax and enjoy here. Michigan has a very short summer. People take advantage of the sun when it is available and they love sunbathing on the beach shores. There will be food tables here and small canteen. Right now it's closed because of COVID-19. Now let's go to the other side of the park. This is the aerial view of the park. This side of the park has good trails, lakes, and also an auditorium. People use this auditorium for weddings and social gatherings. Sunset on this side will be beautiful. There are some breathtaking views from the bridge. We would like to watch sunset by standing on the bridge. The trails in this park has beautiful flowers. There are some relaxing spots to sit on the shores and enjoy. This park also has few oil wells where they get crude oil. Okay, it's almost sunset time and we are hungry. We brought paneer frankie from home. Let's see how to make it. This recipe needs 4 things to prepare: honey lime slaw salad, cilantro cashew salsa, spicy fried paneer, and chapati. Now let's prepare honey lime slaw salad. For this you need 1 cup of shredded cabbage, half cup of chopped capsicum, half cup of chopped onions, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 of lemon juice, half teaspoon honey, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix them thoroughly using a spoon or spatula. Now let's prepare cilantro cashew salsa. For this we need 10 cashews, 1 jalapeno, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 garlic clove, and 1 cup of cilantro or coriander leaves. Add a 1/4 cup of water and 1/2 of lemon juice. Now blend it for 1 minute. Now our salsa is ready. Now let's prepare fried spicy paneer. For this we need 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of turmeric, 1 cup of fried paneer, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin and coriander powder, and mix them thoroughly. Add 2 spoons of oil and mix well. Now stir fry it for 5 minutes. You can also use shrimp or chicken in the place of paneer. Now let's go to the final step and prepare frankie. For this we need 1 chapati. I am not telling how to make chapati here as everyone knows it. Apply 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup on top of chapati. Add salad on top of that. Now add 1 teaspoon of salsa on top of that salad. Put some chunks of paneer and add salsa on top of it. Now let's wrap it carefully. Cover the base with the aluminum foil or parchment paper so the filling won't come out. Okay, our veg frankie is ready. Now you can keep them in a box and take it to a picnic spot just like we did. We had this in this park and returned back to home. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button and also please share it with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next video.